Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So now what we are going to do is, I'm going to explain to you what we are doing today. We are going to look on Microsoft Paint, and you are going to draw your house. So I'm going to show you guys how to use Microsoft Paint. So the first step is you want to go to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Windows logo. Then we're going to type in MS Paint. Alright, see? Now we're on Paint. You know, I'm not Bob Ross, but I really am going to try to draw my house, but I'm not that good. So the first thing I want to do is click Shapes. So this is how you would draw a square, circle, anything like that. I'm cheating, so I'm going to just make my house a big square. Now, my house is not white, so I need to fill it in. If you see my mouse over the paint bucket right here, I'm going to click that, then click this grayish color. My house is more like a gray. Now I'm going to add the roof. Probably not the, ooh, that's not the right way, triangle. So to do that, I need to delete this. So I'm going to right click, delete. So if you look at this again, I do not like the shape. Remember, you must click the right side of your mouse, right click, delete. Alright, back to this triangle. Let's see if this works. Not bad. Alright, there is my roof. I'm going to fill it in with this color. Did not like that, so I'm going to click the undo button. There. So that's part of my house. Say I want to draw some grass. So I'm going to click brushes. I can go with a pencil. Try to draw that. Oh, that's really tall grass. So that's not really pretty grass. Alright. So drawing that. And now I'm going to attempt to draw a sidewalk. So with that, I'm going to change my brush. And then I noticed I need to change the brush size, so I'm going to click Size and do that right here. Let's make my sidewalk like a brown color. That's like a dark gray. There we go. I'm definitely not an artist. So that's what we're going to do. Then I need to add a door. So basically I'm just building what my house looks like. You do not have to draw your own house. You can draw your dream home, but I do want you to put in a little bit more effort than I just did. Only because I only have a few minutes to record this. So you're going to spend the rest of class following the tools and learning the tools of Microsoft Paint. This is like an exploration. So let me add this text. If you could see, I pressed the text button. I'm going to put "This is due" at the end of class. Remember, you will be drawing either a plant cell or an animal cell in Microsoft Paint, so make sure that you perfect your skills. And if I wanted to change the color of that text, remember, highlight the text, click the color box. Alright, that is all I have for today. Just make sure that you save your work, so you click File, Save As, make sure you click PNG Picture. I would say save it to your desktop, and I want you to title it My House. Alright, I will be walking around the room to help you, and do not forget to participate in the SOI discussion Smart Start and fill out your exit ticket. Alright, have a great day, guys.